Hi friends, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you I think a better way to change a photo to black and white versus just desaturating or hitting Control Shift U. It won't work for every photo, but I think it for 95% of photos and portraits, it looks better than your traditional Control Shift U. So here's our original on the left. This is what I'm going to show you to do with a nicer, crisper background, crisper difference between the black and white, not so much gray. And then this is just your traditional Control Shift U. So there is a time and a place for Control Shift U. It's a great time saver if you're in a hurry, but I actually have an action that does this for me. So it's one click and I get this great, nice, crisp, contrasty black and white image. So I'm going to close these two out. Now that we've seen those, I'm going to hit my tab key to get all of my palettes and actions back. And like I said, I have an action for this. We can just click black and white, grab our levels adjustment that it automatically puts on there and fixes it. But in case you don't have my actions, I'm going to show you how to do this from beginning to end. And if you do want a copy of my actions, email me, Gretchen at GretchenOTero.com, or this is how you can do it yourself. So we are just going to go to image, adjustment, mode, image mode, and we're going to go to lab color, and we're going to go down here to our paths, channels. There we go. If you don't have your channels down here, you can grab them in your Windows palette right here. And I'm just going to throw away, click down here. There we go. Click on B and throw away the B. So now we have the color that we're looking for, but we have to get back to RGB mode. So we're going to go back to image mode. RGB is grayed out, so we go up to grayscale, and then image mode, we can get back to RGB. Now it's always a little bit bright in the midtones, so I grab my levels, double click, and just drag that down just a hair. Maybe the black's down just a hair too. So there's our before and after. Super easy, guys. I really like that. The alternative to that, if you don't want this bright, crisp, clean color, we can go back to open, Control Shift U, boom, will also get you there, but you get that muddy kind of not so crisp and contrasty look. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you want these actions so you can just click and get black and white, reach out to me, Gretchen at GretchenOTero.com. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.